Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I just got a delivery from Imperfect and I also just came back from a competition. I have to wear this now until Sunday. It's Friday. I have skaters competing all weekend. I'm not allowed to take it off. This is not a big order, but I wanted to show it to you anyway. So let's get this box open and find out what's inside. We have some organic baby spinach. This is Imperfect Foods brand. This is good for 5 days, probably a little bit longer. And then we have some baby arugula. Colin loves this with balsamic vinegar and some shaved Parmesan cheese. Some carrots. I just used up all my carrots. So this is good, and these look good. I had to get this. I lived in Maine for like a decade, believe it or not. So I got some of this wild Maine blueberry jam because it sounded really good and it wasn't very expensive. I love Maine blueberries because they're the tiny little blueberries, not the big fat blueberries.
What's happening?
You're blowing up like a blueberry.
It happens every time. They all become blueberries.
I don't like New Jersey blueberries at all. More of the Italian style seasoning. I get this like pretty much every time. And some of the San Marzano peeled tomatoes and some of the tomato paste. And these are not organic, but they're imported. I know I've said this before. Europe has different laws in terms of what they can use chemical-wise on things. I trust non-organic, conventional that comes from Europe more than I trust American conventional stuff. Does that make sense? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And then we've got some polenta. I love polenta. And some lemons. Oh, regular size lemons. We got one big lemon and 2 small lemons. Oh, another big lemon. Oh, you know what? I think these are Meyer lemons. I'm gonna have to check that receipt. Stay with me and we'll go through that receipt together. These I think are Meyer lemons and these are regular lemons. Yes, definitely. Look. Can you see the difference in color? This one is like a lighter yellow and this is like more of an orangey yellow. And then we've got some limes. 3 limes so far. Oh, this celery is sad. Some kind of sad celery. And kind of sad broccoli too. This is small. This is like half the size that I would get from Misfits. Some organic cilantro. This looks good. And another lemon. Some scallions. Some of the Fever Tree ginger beer. And then we have our cold pack. Pepper jack cheese. We love this stuff. Organic Valley milk. I'm not really a fan of ultra pasteurized, but I also don't really drink this milk. Colin does. This is what he puts in his coffee. He doesn't like cream or half and half. He likes milk. Some pepperoni, spicy pepperoni. There's 1 ice pack in here. I'm gonna show you this, what it looks like, and then I'm gonna go through that receipt with you. What's the matter, Brexy? Hi, Brexy. This is what my sink looks like. And then I've got this stuff that's out here. Now the receipt. Okay, the broccoli was $3.99. This is not a lot of broccoli. It's a little disappointing. The limes, we have 3 for $2.99. The celery was $2.75, and again, it's pretty disappointing. The tomato paste was 89 cents. The San Marzano tomatoes were $1.99. The lemons, the big lemons, there are 3 big lemons, and those were $2.99. The pepper jack cheese was $4.49. The arugula was $4.49. The baby spinach was $4.49. The Italian seasoning was $2.29. The scallions, or green onions, whichever you prefer, was $1.49. I feel like that's fair. The cilantro, $1.49. Fair. And this is all organic, by the way, all the produce. The Meyer lemons, we got 1, 2, 3 of those for $2.49. I feel like that's high. The carrots were $2.75. That's fair. The whole milk, $4.99. That is a better deal than what I would pay at the store. The pepperoni was $4.99. The blueberry jam was $3.99. The polenta was $3.29. That's a good deal. And the ginger beer was $4.99. So my total was $61.83. Tax was 33 cents. So my grand total was $62.16. There is no delivery charge. What do you think? Do you think this is a fair price for what I've got? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And if you want to try Imperfect Foods, there's a link in the description down below where you can do that and save off your first order. I'll get a little something off my next order too. If you like this video, please hit that like button and share it with somebody else that may want to order from Imperfect Foods, and just post it to your social media too. I post videos every week that can help you with your organic grocery shopping, maybe save some money, and your figure skating too. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you never miss a video. This is Amy. Thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Happy organic eating. Bye.